Alright, so previous videos I explained how I had to get a new upper control arm for the Roadster through Factory 5 because the one that I had, the ball joint cross-threaded in, and it's the ball joint that they provide. So they provide you this Mk4 Roadster ball joint to install in their upper control arm. And so they manufacture that upper, Factory 5 manufactures this upper control arm with this piece here, which is the ball joint mount, which accepts that Roadster ball joint. Now, I had one that went in, this one over here, the passenger side, went in like butter. This one, not. Now this is a new, well, this is the old upper control arm with a new ball joint mount because I ordered a whole upper control arm, took the ball joint out and put it in here. So that's a new piece with a new ball joint. And it threads in nicely and then gets tough. Now, I can only guess that one of two things are happening. The Roadster ball joints that they supply, Factory 5 supplies, are not consistent in their thread pitch being manufactured into them, or Factory 5 has an issue with the machining of their thread pitch. One of the two. Now, in the manual, they tell you to install it with a vise, and the videos I've watched of them installing it online are with a vise, and I'm not doing that. So I got the actual socket, which is a 1 in 59/64 inch power built, which I got on Amazon in this case. Comes with the other bigger one because the Chrysler ball joints, there's a big one and a small one. This is a Chrysler ball joint. I know because my Dodge D150 has the bigger ball joints, and I have that socket as well. So threading this in, it definitely came to a stop again. I put anti-seize on it this time, and I'm just slowly taking my time. It's kind of annoying because one thing is messed up here, and when you read online, and so because I cross-threaded it in the first one, I bought a new one. It's a $250 upper control arm that I paid for, and same thing is happening again with this one. So online they say to not use the Roadster ball joints and go with the How. Well then, my question is, why are you supplying them in the kit? Like, somebody should review this issue. So just putting this out there so that when you get to this problem, take your time with the ball joint. And if you want to not upgrade to the How ball joint and use the Roadster, because that's the one that they supply you, take your time, use the socket, thread it in, back it out, thread it in, use some anti-seize lubricant, and just take your time. And eventually let's see. Now, one of the other things I noticed, and I don't know if you can see it in this video, is that it seems to be that the gap over here is slightly bigger than the gap over here. And that's something I noticed every time I installed these. In the first one that I installed, that got cross-threaded, and then that one, that the gap doesn't seem to be the same until it gets down to the bottom. And I don't know, that could be just a visual optical illusion, but that's what it seems like, and I don't know why. So I don't know. It's an issue that I wish that they would fix, because it's pretty annoying when you want to just thread the install the part, and you have to sit here messing with it, and if it's because of a lack of choosing the quality part, then they should upgrade to the quality part that they know is going to work, because that's what the person building this is expecting. So that's my opinion. And but just in case you're having the same issue, as long as you're not cross-threading it yourself, but it's binding up, then that's probably it. So yeah, just so you know.